Cogoo S series to turn on parking reverse line. Okay, go to a car setting, factory setting, password 8888. Okay, the second, protocol parameter setting. So the first one, backing track setting. You have to backing track, turn it open, turn it on. So reverse. So it's got a fixed line. Okay, turn it off. So no line. The blue color is for the camera line. So now the video is for the turn on the player fixed line. Backtrack setting, turn on. So Cogoo player, the fixed reverse parking line, turn on. Video by 1bis. Thank you.